Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to explore how to manage and block cookies in the Google Chrome beta browser on your mobile device. This is an important topic for anyone concerned about online privacy. First, open the Google Chrome beta browser on your mobile device. Next, tap on the three dots icon at the top right. From this menu, find and tap on Settings to continue. Inside Settings, scroll down and select Privacy and Security. Next, find the option labeled Third-Party Cookies. Tap on it to see your available choices for cookie management. Then, choose Block Third-Party Cookies. This setting will prevent websites other than the one you are visiting from storing cookies on your device. Blocking third-party cookies enhances your privacy and reduces tracking by advertisers. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel.